loves, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. My name is Samira. Nice to meet you. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and left to want to become a part of this amazing family. We are 100 subscribers away from 1,000 subscribers. I just can't wait. Feel free to share this video with your family and friends. I'm just saying, you might be feeling generous, you know, like it's Christmas. Anyway, today's video is going to be a try on haul, a swimsuit try on haul, and I'm excited because I love me a swimsuit. Now I don't know about you, but I feel like everywhere I pass lately I see ZAFUL. It's like your shadow. ZAFUL, get me. ZAFUL. It's like everywhere. How did they do that? Damn. A year or so ago I tried to get stuff from them, but it was so hectic that I gave up. But I finally got a hold of their swimsuits and I just couldn't wait to show you guys. If you want to see if ZAFUL is worth your coins, if you want to see if they're just like all noise or whatever, stay tuned. Oh, and by the way, we've got new hair in the house, you know? Like, oh, who's this Barbie? Well, let's go straight into the video. Mwah. Okay guys, so each bikini comes in a pack like this. Can you see that? Yes. And then there's like ZAFUL proudly written on each side, which is super cute. Now unfortunately I had to go through the US to get them to Ghana, so I don't know how the original bag came in, but this is cute. Can you guys see that I'm sweating? Oh my god, it's so hot in here. That's my fan. I can't wait to be rich. Okay, so I fell in love with this color. I feel like the camera is not even doing justice to this color. It's so beautiful. It could have passed for my favorite had it not been for the fact that they did this here. I don't know what they were trying to achieve. I hate the fact that they join two pieces. It takes all the sexiness out of it for me. It's like what, the fabric was finished and then they had to like just join something else. I don't get it. However, it's a very thick fabric. It's like one of those fabrics that if you swim with, it would like just become heavy on you afterwards. I love the color. If I had to give them anything, it would be for the color. Usually I wear a size small, but on ZAFUL I wear a medium. So I nearly made a mistake of ordering for medium, but I read the reviews and people said their clothes weren't true to size, so I took this. It's still a bit big on me because the butt is like funny, but I'm not mad. I love the fact that they added this. You know how like sometimes you feel like, oh, your bikini is like tight enough, and then like you swim and then like you come out and then like it just goes off. It happened to me once. It wasn't a funny story. It was like a nightmare, but I handled it like a boss. If you don't want to risk it, then you just have to tie it on. It's red here, but it might appear orangey there. Is it red? I hope so, because it's red here and it's hot. Like it's hot. Anyway, let's move to look number 2. When I first saw this, I was like, what the hell? It's so huge. Like, look at this. This is definitely not my size. I was like, this is so big. There's no way this will fit. I kept complaining. My kids still asked me to just try them on and see. I didn't think the color was pretty, but this definitely surprised me. Actually, I was kind of glad that I went medium and not small, because I can't imagine. I feel like small would have been a disaster. With this particular one, I do not have anything to complain about. It's perfect. Like, I can't complain. Thank you, ZAFUL. This is good. Oh, by the way, who's taking me out to the pool? Because I need a pool shoot ASAP. Moving on to the next one. Like, this was what drew me to them. Unfortunately, this wasn't the color I wanted initially. When I first saw ZAFUL, it was like this bikini that came with a tube and was like so cute and so sexy, and it was in yellow, and you know I love yellow, you know. I'm not even ashamed of it. I love yellow. I'm not the kind of person who usually goes for bikinis like this, but this was like just like calling my name or screaming. It was like saying Mira. That's a lie, but yes, you get my point. Anyway, I was so excited to get this. The back is a bit loose. However, as soon as I tried to wear it, it ripped. ZAFUL, you did me bad on this one. It ripped. Look at it. ZAFUL, how you gonna do me like this? I didn't even think they sew it properly. It was just like a dot on it. And let me be honest with you, ZAFUL, their clothes are not true to size. I am not a size 10. I've never been one. But here I am with ZAFUL, wearing a size 10. Moving on to the next look. What is it? Oh, sorry. You know how we do it. You know? This haul wouldn't have been complete without yellow. So I had to order one. Cause it's necessary, baby girl. These are my absolute favorite. I like the fact that it is not layered like the red one. I like how it is shaped. I love this one, I'm not gonna lie. I love the color. I love how the fabric feels. I feel like this will be like the first one I'll take to the pool. However, the bra size is too small. And mind you, This is still a size 10. I never thought I could be able to say this, but the bust size is small. Shout out to all the girls with the small boobs. I'm so happy right now. Don't ask me why. The bust size was extremely small. I was just too small. Like, you don't do that, okay? A girl has got small boobs already, and I feel like if I just wear this, nipples are going to be good. But we're gonna wear it anyway because we can. The same. Yes, and that brings us to the end of the haul. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, share, like, comment, but most importantly, subscribe. You guys, I am 100 subscribers away from 1,000 subscribers, and you all don't know how much that means to me. Like a couple of months ago, I was just dreaming about being a YouTuber, and now I'm a YouTuber, and I know it's not that easy. And if you're just watching this and just like gonna watch and go, just subscribe. It doesn't take anything from you, but it means a whole lot to me. So subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, bye.